Byrna has recently released a statement concerning Meta and Facebook's censorship of Byrna's ads due to the fact that our products, which are intended to give people a viable, less lethal self-defense tool, are being classified as banned by their policy. Manufactured right here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, in the heart of America, Byrna has provided over 300,000 individuals and law enforcement officers with options to lethal firearms in an effort to reduce gun violence and ultimately to save lives. Byrna Nation, we need your help to challenge Facebook to allow companies like Byrna to educate the citizens of our country about reasonable methods to defend themselves and their families. We're asking you to share this post, comment, or even make a post of your own supporting Byrna's mission. Just make sure to tag @Zuck and use the hashtag ByrnaCommonSense in your post, comment, or caption. So as a single voice, let's work towards this shared objective together so that we can all make sure that we're prepared to defend.